Test 4, question number 15, section analog. So the question is, a 555 timer circuit is given and we have to decide what kind of output it will produce. Answers are A. Delayed pulses, B. Square wave, C. Triangular wave, D. Trapezoidal wave. And the circuit given is, we have a 555 timer IC, 4 and 8 are connected to plus 5 volt, pin number 7 is connected to 3.9 kilo ohm, and another end of 3.9 is connected to plus 5 volt. Pin number 2 and 6 are connected to a capacitor and that is grounded, and between capacitor and pin number 7 there is a resistor of 3 kilo ohm. Pin number 3 is output. Now we should be knowing the basic of 555 timer. Pin number 2 is our trigger input. Pin number 6 is threshold. Pin number 7 is discharge. So the basic of 555 timer is, whenever the input at pin number 2 goes below 1/3 of VCC, output is positive. Whenever it goes above 1/3 of VCC but remains below 2/3 of VCC, output is positive. And whenever it goes above 2/3 of VCC, that means whenever the input at pin number 6 goes above 2/3 of VCC, output switches to negative, and it will discharge the capacitor through pin number 7 whenever output is negative. So let us draw the waveform of the voltage across the capacitor. The capacitor will charge through series combination of these two resistors, and it will discharge through pin number 7 via only one resistor. So voltage at capacitor starts rising like this. So whenever it reaches a 1/3 of VCC, output switches to high, and whenever it reaches 2/3 of VCC, that means at pin number 6, and here it is at pin number 2, whenever it reaches 2/3 of VCC, output switches to low, and whenever the output goes low from high, it turns on the transistor at pin number 7 and it starts discharging the capacitor. Now it starts discharging through this 3 kilo ohm, so it will discharge a little bit faster than the way it was charging, because the charging resistor was higher than the discharging path. So it will start discharging, and whenever it will reach below 1/3, the output again switches back, and whenever output again goes high, the discharging path stops, and so the capacitor again gets charging through this series combination of 3.3 and 3.9 and 3 kilo ohm, and this waveform continues like this. Hence the output is, as you can see, a square wave, and this configuration is called a stable multivibrator. So the answer is B. Thank you.